have completed the third leg from Gudebaju to Karkala. Now they just handing over the baton within Acharya to Karkala. From here we will head towards Atradi to meet Udupi guys. Friends, we have successfully covered our fourth leg from Karkala to Atradi, and on this day of 19th International CZ Java SD Day, we are doing a tribute ride to Arun Shri and all the fallen riders within our groups. So we have Mr. Sridhar from King's Raid Bangalore, and Mr. Richard Miskit from UJMC, that is Udupi Java SD Motorcycle Club, and we three together, MJMC, UJMC and Kings. We are doing this tribute to Arun Anna and all the fallen riders, and we are successfully into our last stage of today's ride. So after having a break here, we will continue our journey. So Kachuna, please say some words.
I would like to thank UJMC and MJYMC people for inviting us for this ride. We drove all the way from Bangalore till Kadinamana Estate. We are staying in Kadinamana Estate, and we came here to meet all of them. On the occasion of 19th International Java Day, I would like to tell a few things. Mr. Arun Shri was a very good friend of ours, and he used to ride with us every year. So we lost him 1.5 months back. So very sad to see that person who was so jovial and who was so enthusiastic and was very much into everything. There was nothing that he knew. He knew everything. So what happened was sudden death was very unfortunate. So I would like to say that a good soul, we miss him, is lost. And I would like to thank Girish Anna, Swan Fernandez, Michi Mom. They are the people who are pleasure. They are the people who are giving us giving us energy all the time. Because of them, we are coming to South Canara. Thank you so much.
Go to Richard.
Well, this is International Java Day. It's celebrated all over the world. Actually, then we usually used to celebrate in a big way, and this time we never had any plans like celebrating because of the pandemic. And suddenly, all of a sudden, Girish and we all put together came across like we have to pay some tribute to our dear friend, and he used to be with us all the time. In any rides or anything, he is there. Without him, nothing happens. Like he is like multi-talented, not only the rider, the restorer, especially restorer, and a good musician, and a very good human being actually. If you ask me, he was the founder of MJYMC also, and for us also like one parent figure. Maybe he is younger to me, but still he was a parent figure to me. Like then we all suddenly decided. Then Kachu and I said he'll bring his gang and come. So then we'll have it something like, because of course we are not breaking actually, but otherwise it's like gathering is there. We shouldn't have been doing this, but we thought okay, then we little changes in plans. So we had one circuit ride that wherever Arunana used to go, we have taken this both the bikes, right? Both the bikes we have taken, and wherever he used to go, wherever he was present there, we thought, okay, at least his bike is there. We have taken one circuit, and it started from Bangalore and it ends in Bangalore. So this is the pass-by place usually used to visit. He has come here. We have spent a lot of time with him, and may his soul rest in peace. Definitely, he will be happy out there watching us. And his guidelines we are following. And the tagline says, "We lost him, but we never forget him." Like, he will be there in our hearts forever. That is it. And thank you so much, Kachana and MJMC for putting all of us together. And thank you so much. And we will not forget. He is our mentor sort of a figure. We will definitely keep him in our journey. And since this time, pandemic, we couldn't celebrate anything and decide anything concretely. Like, so this is temporarily, and all of a sudden it has come up. And
Till you. Thank you.
And as a part of this ride, I'm going to hand over this baton to King's Ride Kachona. And thank you for joining the ride, Kachona. And later, Kachona can hand over to Richana.
I'm very thankful and grateful that I've been given an opportunity to do all those things which I never expected, or I would have done all these things. Thank you so much, Dirishana, for handing me this over. Now I am giving this to Richard Mom.
so thank you so much that we always feel that Arunana with us.
Yeah,
And we miss him, always miss him. May his soul rest in peace. The same way it will continue from here to Mangalore, so I'll pass it on to Girishama to take it further. And we'll keep it in our heart, and definitely once in a while we'll take it.
yeah.
Thanks so much.
And there are around 15 riders from Bangalore in 12 bikes. They came all the way from Bangalore to Udupi. And we are around 13, 14 bikes from Bangalore.
It's a good number actually.
Good numbers.
But actually we planned for 3-4, but little relaxation with the government guidelines, so we have taken up.
And yeah, let's all have a good time.
Yep.
And we pay our tribute to Arunana, especially. And we will continue our journey to Bangalore later and hand over this baton from all of us to his family.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Hi everyone. We have all met here for the International Java Day, but we are missing Arun a lot. He was always part of our team. He won't be missed mentally, but today he is not with us here in the presence. We know him. We are from Bangalore. We know him through the Bangalore Java team. He was always there with them. I remember a lot of times, he used to play great songs, and he was a very passionate SD Java rider. We have two of his bikes today here. We will miss him a lot. He was a very fun-loving guy, and I remember the English songs he used to play for us late night when we were bored in events. And he will always be missed, but in a way that we don't want to miss him. Thank you. That's all I want to say about Arun. Wherever he is, hope he is doing well. He is riding a SD. Thank you.
In fact, some of them actually went for the entire circuit of around 165 kilometers odd, and a total of at least some 36, 37 riders from different cities have participated in this, and including and plus another 14 riders from Bangalore whom we met up at Athradi. They've come all the way from Bangalore to be a part of this Java Day celebration, so that's where we met up with them. So big thanks to all the riders who were involved in this one. Okay, it's a special day, a perfect tribute for our legend, Mr. Arun Shiri, the one and only guy. That's him on his Road King. Okay, it's a perfect tribute for him, and it's thanks to all the riders here who've made this successful. A big thanks, of course, to even the King's Raid team, the guys from Bangalore, Kachu and his entire team of riders from Bangalore. Thanks to the UJYMC riders who came and took up the stretch from Karkala onwards till Padubidri. And then of course the entire Mangalore Java Yazdi Motorcycle Club. Okay, the guys who've completed the circuit out here, Suraj Henry, Jeffron, Keith, Renault, Grishana, Biroj, then we have Anilana and Ajay. All these guys, they have actually gone through the complete circuit, plus many more riders who were there involved in this. A big thanks to all of them. And a big thanks also to classic legends who've supported us and who are very interested to know what we are doing on this ride. So a big thanks to everybody. Okay, a perfect day, a perfect ride. Completely rains, lot of sun also in the beginning, but well and good. So